Ditch the chaos and discover how to instantly transform client inquiries into organized Basecamp projects. Today, we're connecting Jotform and Basecamp to automatically create new projects directly from form submissions, streamlining your client onboarding process. First, log into your Jotform account and either create a new form or select an existing one you'd like to integrate with Basecamp. Once you're in the form builder, navigate to the Settings tab at the top. Then, on the left-hand menu, click on Integrations. In the search bar, type Basecamp and select the Basecamp integration. You'll be prompted to connect your Basecamp account. Click Authenticate and grant Jotform the necessary permissions. Now, you'll see a series of options to customize the integration. Choose the Basecamp account you want to use. Next, you'll map the form fields to specific elements within Basecamp. This determines where the information from the form ends up in your new project. For example, you can map the client name field to the project's title. You can even specify which Basecamp campfire or to-do list the submissions should go to. Once you've mapped all the relevant fields, click Save Integration. Now, when someone submits your Jotform, a brand new project will automatically be created in Basecamp with all the information perfectly organized. This saves you valuable time and ensures a smooth onboarding experience for every client.